This short tutorial will cover the basic steps to schedule an appointment with your advisor through the SSC Guide app. Let's get started. From the homepage, under the Explore section, select the purple Appointments button. Then select Schedule an Appointment at the bottom of the screen. You will be prompted by a page that asks what type of appointment you would like to schedule. Select Advising. Pick the service category that best suits your needs. Then pick the service that best suits your needs. Select Next at the bottom of the screen. Next, you will pick the location that houses your major. If you have not declared a major, select Undeclared Exploratory at the end of the list. Select Next at the bottom of the screen. On the next screen, you'll see available upcoming appointment time blocks. The current week's availability will show as a default. You can also select to look at a future week's availability by tapping on the blue arrow to the right of the current week. If the date you select does not show any times, it means the advisor does not have open availability on that date. If you see a date that works with your schedule, select it. The block will open up to show the specific appointment times available. If one of the appointment times works for you, select it. Then select Next at the bottom of the screen. After selecting the time and moving to the next screen, you'll have an opportunity to review the appointment details. You also have an opportunity to leave comments for your advisor. You can also select the kinds of reminders you'd like to receive about the appointment. Keep in mind that you'll want to include a mobile number capable of receiving texts if you've selected to receive a text reminder prior to your appointment. Finally, select Confirm Appointment at the bottom of the screen.